Hello guys and welcome to the channel TechPrep. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add dark mode in any website. So first of all, open up your browser and type go to the website, and you can also go to the extension store. Here you can use this extension in any browser like Chrome, Mozilla, Edge, Safari, Opera and others. So click on your browser and just click on add to Chrome, add extension, wait for it. Here you go. Now you can use this on any website. I'm going to go to Google. Now you can see that website is in dark mode. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.